Everybody, this is Raymond Camden again, here to talk to you about GenAI and BoxLang. Now, GenAI is a huge, huge topic. I definitely can't cover even like 1% of it in a quick video. However, what I'm going to share is how BoxLang can make it easier for you to work with, specifically via the AI module. You can install that via the BoxLang command line, install BX module. You can see that on screen right there. And then once you have it, you have a variety of methods that aim to make it easier to work with AI. Still going to be, a bit complex, but this module aims to make it easier to work with multiple different services. Let me show you a quick example of that. So what I have here on screen is a very simple integration with Gemini. That's my preferred GenAI service. And you can see I'm using AI chat and passing a message and just basically saying, use Gemini and here's my key. And this method will wrap all of the REST calls for you and make it pretty darn simple. And we will run AI chat.bxs and let it process and get our wall of text back about why cats are better. Now, what's nice is if for some reason I don't like Gemini, I want to switch to OpenAI, literally the only change I made was changing my provider and changing the API key. And if we run this, we will see hopefully a pretty different response from OpenAI, but taking the same input, the same initial chat message for, of course, why cats are better than dogs. And you can see there's our answer right there. So we can get a bit more complex. Here's an example where I am passing a couple of existing messages, including a system message. And if you're new to GenAI, system messages are a great way to kind of direct the input. So in this case, I'm going to ask where do stars come from, and I'm telling the AI service to answer for younger children. I have the exact same prompt, where do stars come from? But in this example, I'm saying that you're a teacher for adults and they have some existing science knowledge already. So we will run this and we should see really different responses, including tone. So let me scroll up a little bit and you can see, like, imagine a big, cloudy, dusty place in space. And that's a wonderful question. And they even call stars giant, sparkly babies. That's kind of fun. But if we go to the second one, and you can see it's definitely a bit more serious. So one more example I'll show you. You can also create an AI service object that will do some of the configuration for you, making it a little bit easier down the line. So you can see here on line 5, because I've defined an AI service for Gemini, I don't have to pass that in again. I can just pass my prompt. And I could also do the same with multiple messages as well. I won't run this again because it's just going to spit out more text, but it gives you an idea. Absolutely check out the docs because there's quite a bit to this. But again, hopefully this module will make it easier for you to get started.